so funny. That's impressive. It doesn't happen instantly, though. Supposed to change color.
Circles.
Yeah, bring it back to white. And it's one directional, so you have to flip the book over to flip or erase the back side of all the paper. Oh, they got it. They knew well.
Look like an old man rubbing his hands, waiting for
I really hope it works, and I just didn't buy a big. There's a whole bunch of people laughing.
Oh my god!
That is amazing.
Turn her over.
I am hugely satisfied, right?
That's $60 or whatever it was.
Oh, well worth it. Well worth it.
Well worth it.
How warm is that water now?
The book's pretty hot. Oh, that's amazing. Unfortunately, it erased all the things that I wrote down.
Well, yeah. Maybe you should have used a non-special pen for that.
Yeah.
Okay.